working, yeah, to working, yeah.
On Average Guy Garage with Average Guy DIY, how to install headrest monitors. Alright, first thing we got to do is we got to take out this stock headrest. This is pretty easy. You just got a little button there and a little button there, and this thing just comes right out. Boom. Next thing you got is you got to take this guy off. This guy's pretty easy too. There's two little clips on the side here, and then there's like clips that go up here and two clips that go down there. So what you're going to do is you're just going to pull from right here at the top and kind of work it off. See? Just work it off. I'm just going to let it hang. Bam. Perfect. You've got your headrest monitor here, and it's got a cable here that connects and plugs into your RCA cables. The RCA cables I ran underneath the seat and up here into my center console where the fire stick is, and I have it split off for the fire stick, and I'll show you that. But for this guy here, simple and easy, dude. You're gonna need these two little inserts that go in here and clip into place, because the holes are too big in the seat for these metal posts here. So you just clip one of these in each side. Next, you're going to feed this wire here. You're going to feed this down through the seat. And if you see down here, it's coming out right down here. And it just slides right on in. Nice and firm. You look down here, I've got the RCA plug in here, so these two plug together. And this is the RCA cables that I ran underneath the seat, and I ran over here, and I ran into the center console here. These little plugs right here, I'm just going to plug this guy right into here somehow. Now that we've got those headrests in back there, and we have run the wire down the back of the seat here, down the side of the seat, and we popped the sides over here and over there, and we ran the wire up the side here. You can see my RCA's coming out right here, and they follow it all the way up to here, and then they plug into my lockpick up there. If you got a lockpick, that's what you got to plug into. The red and black wires here are going to go to the back of your cigarette lighter. Those red and black wires power your TVs, and I got it set to when you turn the ignition on that the TVs are on. So when the door opens, the TVs turn off. Perfect. So, but what you're going to have to do with your setup is you will have to run your power up here, and you'll also have to have power for your fire stick as well up here. But what you're going to have to do with your RCAs, if you don't have a lockpick, is you're going to have to run the RCAs underneath your cup holders here, and you're going to have to run them up the side there and into the center console. Because what you're going to do is you're going to have to get your input of video to your TVs. So we have the fire stick going into an HDMI converter that comes out to RCAs, and it's going to give you the yellow for your TV. You're going to split that yellow into two different signals, and left and right, and then you are going to plug that into each one of your yellows from your TVs. The audio is going to come out of your converter here in a white and red RCA. You're going to get a 3.5 millimeter splitter that has white and red RCAs on one side and that headphone jack on the other side. Plug the headphone jack right down in there in your aux port and plug the RCAs into the RCAs of the HDMI converter there. Now, there are white and red that come from your headrests up there. You don't need to use those because you're putting the sound through your aux system here. So there you have it. That's a pretty simple explanation of how you install. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video on how to install these headrest monitors. If you like what you see and you like the channel, please like and subscribe. That's what helps me generate the channel. You know what I'm saying? Get other people to watch. So support us. Let's see what we can do and get some other people out there watching us. Thanks, guys.